Maybe you've been feeling some turmoil about moving and you don't really know what's causing these feelings. Our real estate board recently did a study to over 6,700 people in Quebec to try and find out what their primary motivation was for selling their house in the next 5 years. And maybe some of these things can help shed light on where you are in your process and how you're feeling. So in fifth place, we had the reason is to downsize. In fourth place, to move to a different area, different region. To number three, just any maintenance and renovation issues that are stressing them out. Number two is they're approaching retirement age and it's time to let go of the house and move into a condo. And number one was simply to have a better quality of life. So if any of this resonates with you, helps to move forward in your process, then I would love to help you. My name's Sophie. I'm a real estate broker in Montreal and I'd love to help you.